In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Assassin's Creed Valhalla game, lag and stuttering. Before I'm created how to fix random lag spike in Assassin's Creed Valhalla game. This video notified right side upper corner. If you have that random lag spike issue, you can get it idea to fix this issue watching that video. Okay, let's find out how to fix that Assassin's Creed Valhalla game lag and stutter. First you need to view adjustment on your graphic card driver. Open your graphic card driver and go to the program settings. Select game exe file. If your graphic card driver this exe file not listed, you need to manually add this exe file. So click this add button and find Valhalla exe, select and double press mouse button to add to this list. Now scroll down. Change texture filtering quality to performance. Power management mode to adaptive. Vertical sync to adaptive. Threaded optimization to on. Triple buffering to on. Now click apply button. Now close graphic card driver. Type here like this, msconfig, and press enter. Now go to the boot tab. Click advanced option. Check number of processor, select your all cores in processor. Check maximum memory, and press OK button. Again click apply and click OK button. Now click restart your PC to apply this. Now go to game installed path and select game exe file, right click. Go to properties. Select compatibilities tab. Now check disable full screen optimization. Now launch the Assassin's Creed Valhalla game. You need to view adjustment in game settings. Now follow my steps and change like this. Now you can play stable FPS this game, no any lag and stutter issues. That's all. If you like this video, leave a like, comment, share with your friend. Thanks for watching.